When you click on the online skills assessment, you'll come to this page. Notice you've got a whole bunch of questions and some bright red arrows that tell you what to do. So all you need to do is go through the questions, read them, choose an answer. When you get to the bottom of the page, you'll notice that it tells you to click next. So we can go to next. You'll see you then get to the next batch of questions. As you're doing this, you can see how you're progressing through the questions and also what your rank is at the moment based on how you've answered it. As you progress, so you'll see we've already pre-scored this. You can go to the bottom and click next, or at the top you can go next. So you'll see this gives you more questions, some more questions. Eventually you'll get to this page. This is the report page. So what you'll see here is you get an overview of what your skill level is based on our questions and the answers. It gives you a breakdown. In order to provide you with a detailed score of each axis, we need to get a copy of it to run it through our scoring system. So in order to do that, you enter your email address here. And then you just need to click finish. And when you click finish, you'll see it is sent to us. And from there, then we can send you back a detailed report. When you get the email back, and it may take a little bit of time because it is manually assessed just to make sure it's making sense, your report will look something like this. So it's very similar to the online report, except it gives you your actual scores for each axis, the total. It gives you your overall ranking and where you sit in our understanding of skill levels. And then there's a whole bunch of detail which tries to explain to you how we've come up to that. So for example, this person here, the dotted line, we compare their score on the 4 axes to what we'd expect to see from a beginner, which is the red line, and there's the comparative scores. So clearly this person is not a beginner. If we scroll down, a little bit of feedback on which courses you should attend and when they're happening. We've then got a comparison to intermediate. So what is a typical intermediate score? That's the orange line here. What is your score? The dotted line. You can see that that's pretty much a good fit. Same thing, what that person should do. And then comparing to an advanced user. So it shows the user versus what we expect from an advanced user and the individual scores. Furthermore, it also just gives you some comparisons to other benchmarks. So here you've got your comparison to a typical Excel 1, 2, 3. So you'll see in our version Excel 3 is not particularly advanced. So by looking at this you can see what type of course you should attend if you're not attending one of our courses. We've also got a summary of how you compare to all the respondents that we've ever received.